Chapter number 5, Our Body Organ System. Hello students, I'm Forum Goswami, your science teacher. Today we are going to learn about our chapter number 5. The big idea of the chapter is there are many organs which work together to help us perform various functions. Things to learn from the chapter are the building blocks of the body and organ system of our body. So, let's start learning with building blocks of the body. The human body is a complex machine. Like a machine, our body is also made up of many parts that work together so that the body can function well. There are cells, tissues, organ systems, and then human body. Like a house is made up of many bricks joining together. Similarly, our body is also made up of cells. Cells are the smallest unit of our body, students. Many similar types of cells together form a tissue. Many similar types of tissues form an organ. Every organ performs specific tasks in human body. See the human body system. There is excretory system, circulatory system, digestive system, muscular system, respiratory system, and skeletal system. So, we shall start learning about digestive system. We get energy for work and play from the food that we are eating. The food is broken down into simpler substances so that energy can be released and used by the body. The simpler substance of food is called saliva. The whole process is called digestion. Some of the organs will help in that process. So, these organs together form our digestive system. From the mouth, we are eating food. It is beaten and chewed by the teeth in the mouth, and the liquid substance saliva is released inside the mouth with the help of teeth. From the food pipe, the chewed food passes down to the stomach. The walls of the stomach release some digestive juices which further help to break down food into simpler substances, which is released from liver. The liquid which are made in stomach for digestion that are made from the liver. Once the food from the stomach passes into the small intestine, all the useful nutrients from the digested food are absorbed by the blood and sent to different parts of the body. The large intestine will hold the food that cannot be digested. The walls of the large intestine help in absorbing water from the digested food and form waste called feces. It is released from the body through the anus. So, for healthy digestive system, students, it is very important to eat healthy food to keep this system in a very good health. Okay, students, for this, bye bye and take care. Eat healthy food and be healthy. Any questions you can ask me in my live session. We shall discuss more systems in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.